If your humidifier is leaking, here are the 5 most probable causes. The drain hose may be kinked or clogged, causing the incoming water to back up and begin leaking. You should first check to make sure the hose is not kinked between the humidifier and the drain source. If the hose appears clogged, you can detach it from the drain pan and blow compressed air through the hose to clear the obstruction. The humidifier's drain pan could be obstructed due to the buildup of mineral deposits. Remove the pan or detach the necessary panels or housing to access the pan. Then use a small flathead screwdriver to gently clear any deposits from the drain port. If necessary, you can replace the old drain pan with a new one. Over time, the water evaporator pad can become clogged with calcium and other deposits, which can cause the incoming water to ride along the top of the pad and drip down outside the water collection tray. Replacing the old pad with the new one should solve the problem. The water distribution tray rests on top of the evaporator pad and is designed to direct the water to drip evenly into the pad. If the tray is damaged, clogged, or misaligned, water may begin leaking outside the humidifier. Again, you can replace the tray to correct the problem. It's also possible that one of the water lines has cracked. Inspect the line and check for a loose or corroded fitting at the water inlet valve. Then replace the water line if required. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your humidifier.